What is up, guys? So in today's video, this is going to be like a video for my new channel, which is about like biking and going around like California and stuff. And in today's video, we're going to be checking out the Ruby's Car Show on Fridays. It's on Friday every day, every Friday for most of the summer. So let's go check it out and we'll talk about it. Here's some more cars. Some old Porsches on that side, two of them. Another old Porsche. Rad Runner.
Never got in trouble.
Some other cars over there. Okay, cars over here. Here's Ruby's, in case you guys don't know. Also, we are in kind of like the Redondo Beach area. More cars, some more over here. Old classic cars. Looks like a Chevy. But yeah, that's basically pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely try to post more videos.